Task 2 is writing small numbers in standard form. So this time we're going to move to the right. We're using the same process as before. Step 1, a number between 1 and 10. Step 2, times by 10. And step 3 is the power. Okay. So small numbers. When we say small numbers, we're going to say a number that is less than 0. So we have 0.00. Okay, so that's a really, really small number. It's much smaller than 1. So I need to write this in standard form. First of all, I need a number between 1 and 10. So this time I'm moving the decimal over here until I've got one number, one whole number in front of the decimal. So that there is going to be 2. So my number between 1 and 10 is 2. The decimal is now here, remember. Step 2 was times by 10, and step 3 is how many times you move the decimal. So this time we're moving it from where it was, here, to where it is now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. But because it's a very, very small number and I moved it to the right, I must say that that's minus 5. Part 2. Again, a small number, we've got 0 point something. I need a number between 1 and 10, so I'm going to move my decimal to the right until I've got one whole number in front of it. So my whole number there is going to be 7.1. That's still between 1 and 10, so 7.1 is perfect. The second part is times by 10. And the third part is the loopity-loops. How many times did I move the decimal? And it's a very small number, so I'm moving it to the right. So it's going to be a minus. How many times? 1, 2, 3 loopity-loops. So it's minus 3. Last one. Same process again, a number between 1 and 10, so I'm going to move the decimal to the right because it's a really tiny number, and I'm going to move it so that there's only one number in front of it, and that's going to be the 9. So my number between 1 and 10 is going to be 9.061, and I've included all of these whole numbers here. So the second part is times by 10. And then the last part is the loopity-loops. I'm moving it to the right. How many times from where it was to where it is now? It was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to the right, so it's a minus 7.